Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, we're going to make some chocolate stamped coins. I'm going to get down some chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. That's good. So I'm using a stamp. This is a metal stamp, and it has been in my freezer. And then again. And look at that. Magic. So let's just let these set up and then I'll come back in a little while. So here we are again. This is about 2 hours later. I was in no rush. These set up very quickly, but I wanted them to completely dry and set properly. And let's just flip over. And you can see how nice with the silicone mat that these just come right off. And you can see there's a nice little shine on the bottom of them. So there we go. That's how easy it is to make these. Let me just zoom in a little bit just to show you the texture and the design. So there we go. Hopefully you can see how nice that stamp has worked with the chocolate. And you can see what it says there, love. Really, really nice and super fine detail on there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.